How to install Pinterest app. Start by opening the App Store on your device, which is the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. In the search bar at the top, type in Pinterest and tap search to bring up the results. Look for the official Pinterest app with a white letter P on a red circle background. Once you find it, tap on the install button if you are on Android or get if you are on iPhone. The app will then begin downloading and installing automatically into your device. After the installation is complete, you can tap open directly from the store or find the Pinterest icon on your home screen. When you launch the app for the first time, you will have the option to either create a new account using your email, Google, or Facebook, or log in if you already have an existing account. Once signed in, you can start browsing pins, saving ideas, and creating boards. That's all it takes to get Pinterest app and running on your phone. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.